In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to mute accounts from a profile on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple steps to customize your Twitter experience and manage your timeline effectively. To begin, navigate to the profile page of the person you wish to mute. This can be done by searching for their profile or clicking on their username from a tweet they have posted. Once you are on the profile page, locate the More icon, typically represented by 3 dots. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu of additional options. From the list of options displayed, select the one labeled Mute. By choosing this option, you will effectively mute the account, ensuring that you no longer see their tweets in your feed. Muting accounts from profiles allows you to control the content you see on your Twitter timeline, focusing on what matters most to you and reducing unwanted distractions. Take charge of your Twitter experience by muting accounts from profiles with these straightforward steps. Customize your timeline to suit your preferences and enhance your browsing experience on the platform.